Kigima omwanchi omulia bwetaseni kia Ndizi TV nebiro bindengo kwaligania ase emesa ya mangana maya elindengo erere nare yanyari kubakago kolekana korwa chingongo chonsi inye chense una chitariki cyalero chire emeronge bere nanye mutinyo gatano na gatatu mwaka bw'chirpu bere mengwansa meronge bere na ibere chinga ki togenderete kweneki amaliganio ase ogotianigwa kwa bagavana abachore imechi county ali tukolia angyo boigo omuraibikia magia ODM nigagendeta kuyaligania ese ogochuko umerana no yokoranirikero kyo governor ime county ya Mombasa humanchumulia karanso ike elindengo erere nare yali nanyare ko bagingo kwaligane elitariane Frida Kerubo na sichinsemo chibiorokerelyo nigotoko bwateranere Joshua autangwira nada segekeke ngomanye amange. Yenda gutobwatia asichinsemo chimitandao asensemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na bayiga asensemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website na bagotonyara gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke ingo chaka kegima omwanchumulia nigongo kumanyuna omo MCA omochore we wodi ya Kiogoro nigo litukolia rero aumera nabamenyi bensemeyo asabairane limbia mono ase okomochora kubatikana no bocho libwanyara ko bokoera bwangoiga kolengana nere niga atebabuna na ichigo ikirani alianyare ko baga kakori eira ase okubakorera emiaka 5 eribosio kolenda chinga kicho niganyara ko baga koena na ambulance yera chikonyara ko bage ko bakonya chingaki bayeganitie
na health kwa kuna mangana ye chigasi na empowerment ase vijana bitu na abantu baitu babwada talent yawa so ibi byose ndira se manifesto ekenake mokiabo kilina kunire so kurbono oroje tinda service na no wapisha tinda wapisha kurbono bake myake tanere ntorigo chikosera batogo chikosera abantu na maganda
Mateyemo kurwa chinsemo chia virongo imeye bunge ya nyalibali chache mbirerere magega y'omusubati w'imyaka 2023 gusiria obugima bwaye asekele bagatabuna nigo omugakoye amoitete goika ogokwa Evelyn Nyaboke niganyata kwa baka gusiria obugima bwaye kubwatekana no goituko ase omugakoye Dominic Nyatundo achete bichuko na goikera bono igataratoka omo county commander Omasaba North oyokoro kwa Hassan Bashir nigatebire buna obotuki mbogenderete.
Murder incident report that was reported at our station yesterday at around 9:40 a.m. in that in a village within Keroma area that is around about 4 kilometers from the station, that one Evelyn Emui, aged 28 years, was killed by her husband by the name Dominic Obaga Muranga, who is aged around 36 years old. Officers from this station actually visited the village in Boroba within Regena location and actually find out that the lady had severe cuts on the head and both hands. The body was removed to Gucha mortuary, awaiting postmortem.
Amaliganio yogotiania abagavana abachare Image County nigo agenderete. Ime County ya Nyamira committee etenenerete omorobilyo yo nigo yatebire buna ogotianiwa ko mugavana omochore litkolia angyo nigo emerobilyo yanyare ko bakego ikerana. Korende omo county secretary James Ntabo niga kwana nabaliki bamangana bigataseni kia Ndizi TV ase aligani abamenyi be county ya Nyamira ase omorobilyo yo litkolia angyo.
Bangi ne komite regaiga mu commissioner of fund command commission speak me banko ye nyangi yo ngene ngabana kiro cha koba terike no lo lesano isiga kuna bangi ne chiko abantu twa tebiri baki abantu bakomera mu kwisi ko baki n'abantu tubange tumuriro abantu tubange kubisana kiagara abantu bagocha na kubokin abantu bata amarube kuyentekane n'abantu bocha banyandi tutayale abantu kuba kunyina waro soda makimake kora mugaba na kubikurende abasobisi kuterase kola suni igo komite yabangire student mo alia school ya Nyamira primary grounds twarengore geti mbiakere tete kugira mambia security na mwe muri kwa somo kwa abantu bande mbiyere kento kibangire protocol yabangirwe macha ye bangi muno anteko macha ye bantu ikaranse byo botwerero tware bantu bajaro terera bande bantu bajira gaiga matero moyo no moyo karo iko bono entekane keringa komite yega abangire ne tayare endo kwatevinga abantu bitwa Nyamira ngose spali bayibaranya ko bocha pachicheto sangamo tokokamo kegero mugabana ubachora ni kifresh nyinge nkwe wale kurende no mu jaji kokoko kurana na inde obisi agenda negasi ayingia
boigo amarigania yo nigagenderete imeye county ya Kisii ase bagendete kuyarigania segetigie chigosori kia Gusii Stadium asomo governor Omochore Paul Simbarati aikirana elinde kurigereria umorobelio yo okwana nere nigaira nilimbia mono asaba menye county ya Kisii ase okomochora ochiko bakolera emirimo asimya ketano erebosio kolende nigaba mochi abakoli emirimo be serikali imeye county ya Kisii abeswana ni nobokurumi na boigo koirani ye county ya Kisii magega ase ainekeli abamenyi be county ya Kisii ki aranyara ko bakago soa obisi nachiko ene kibuna onyarire ko baga kwago siria ubukurumi ubu.
Nataka niseme ni kwamba najua kuna matarajio makubwa kutoka kwa watu wangu. Ukiona ile kura waliopiga na wale walikuwa washindani wangu ni kura ambayo ni nyingi sana. Na kwa hivyo na nilipata kura kwa kila ile tunaita clan ya jamii ya Gusii. Nami nimejitolea kwamba nitahakikisha yale ambao watanipa kuwafanyia ama yale niliwaahidi kuwafanyia kazi nitaifanya kwa mpigo. Na nitafanya kazi ambayo itahakikisha kwamba imebadilisha jimbo letu. Vile vile nataka kwamba jimbo letu liwe ni mfano wa majimbo mengine kuja kufuatilia vile tunafanya. Kitu cha muhimu kabisa, pesa zipo lakini wizi ndio umekuwa juu. Hiyo ndio shida, ni kwamba wafanyakazi wengi ambao wako katika county ya Kisii wengi walipata mianya nyingi sana ya kutoa pesa katika county. Kwa hivyo mheshimiwa gavana anaondoka mahali ameachia, mimi nahakikisha kwamba nitahakikisha nimeziba zile mianya, nihakikishe kwamba nimefanyia wananchi wangu ambao ni nyumbani kwetu kazi ambayo itaonekana.
Tinga kechio boigo ime county ya Kwale nigendete kwarigani ase barachikomotiani omugavana Omochore oyule gatia basubati batano na babere abanyara kwa bagochorwa ase ekirgo kyobo governor Fatuma Achani no mokonyo ye Chirema Kombo nigo barachigotiani walitkoria angyo ase getie kigia Kwale ase abanyanyimbo be county gosebe serikali ye county yo bagendete kwerobire na kibago chikomwarigani Fatuma Achani ase ekiruge kyobo governor. Ekiombe kiabalemi becha gia KTDA nigobono kenyoleire oboyo korwa ase ense ya Russia obubole emefuko chimi isano na isato nemerongo ebere kolengana na baraboni go banyare ko bagotabuna ase omunyakirugo o KTDA David Ichocho atebire nigo bagane tie bilioni isato ase okoene kibuna banyare ko bakoreta oboyo obo nabo gokonia ase ligoliri bwenete guchia ase abalemi.
Doing compiling the full cost, and you are aware the cost has gone a little bit higher, but we also sought the government to help us with a subsidy. When we do all the costing, by the time the factory will be getting to the factory, they will be told the absolute amount which will cost per bag.
wizara ya chisemi na boigo serikali ya Kenya gikubwatirana na serikali ya Finland nigo bono ya chire amo ase okoene kibuna banyere kwa bagukinya ebirengo bya chisemi anene mono ase omoroberio OCBC okwana no mo CAS we chisemi Sara Ruto amona babisakorwa ase enseri ya Finland nigo bono babolire omoroberio yo bwekerero guchaka kegima linda koene kibuna omoroberio OCBC onyere kwa bakagokorerwa obonchereri anene mono ase enseicho ya Kenya.
Is as good as the opportunity it gives its young people to be able to grow, both academically, so that they can also come and be part of the development process of the country. But you cannot talk about development without first talking about the individual development. Prioritization, just the lab that can be used both for biology, physics, chemistry are very important. Now that we are going into CBC, there are other rooms that are also important. Like, for example, we want to introduce children to an array of pre-technical, career studies and pre-technical. So a room in which these learning can happen is important for all schools to identify. So increasing equality among schools is about giving more resources, but also sharing information.
And we've been cooperating with Kenyan counties in terms of bringing higher educated students to Finland to study nursing and risk management and physiotherapy and so forth, also at the vocational level. So I think this is why we are here, to enhance our cooperation and tell the story of Finland. Finnish education has been very successful, and it has been talked in many media.
Aba bisabo bochenu korwase county ya Siaya nigo bagendete kwene kibuna abamenyi benseme yo banyere kwa bagwitanga no burire obwenyama wekirabo niga nigo bulingoli bokoro kibuna nigo ekerengo kimerongo enenene igoro yemia banyere kwa bakwenyorera echanjo ya COVID-19 ase boigo bane kibuna wekirabo niga ondetayo otokikanire kabwate ebinyinyi ebyo.
And so far in Siaya County currently we are at 44% of people who are fully vaccinated with COVID vaccination. And this at the country level, we are number 5 county within all the 47 counties. During the campaign and during the election period, where we thought many people would be interacting and the transmission would increase, we didn't really observe this increase. And basically, for the last 5 days, as we talk, we have not had any positive case. And the few that were there, that were even admitted in our isolation ward, currently the last person that was admitted was discharged on last Friday. And currently, as we speak, we don't have any positive case that has been reported recently, and nobody also admitted within our wards. So this just a proof that the vaccination, the intensification of the vaccination has really worked well, and if we continue as Siaya, we are aiming at now pushing this to reach 70% coverage of fully vaccinated individuals.
Umanti umuliye kurwa sorobotero nigo naikire omwelio bamangana maya ase ebirebiga kulindengo sabato basago sukato basakonyagera ayo na mange chikoraga chinsa 10 no yenyorere ase nchira eyobwenye kenda gutobwatia ase chinsemo chiriche mitandao ase nsemo ya Facebook na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na bagiga nsemo ya YouTube na bagotonyara gwitira Ndizi TV News ase nsemo ya website na bagotonyara gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke maga kamera soko ene kibuna ebicha na boigo eliogire gwikira sole asenchira eyabene nere petronira mukira tonyako tokubwatana nere Joshua Autas chinsemo chibyorokererio na ncheria ne Frida Kerubo kokoganilia obuligerelia obuya.